Welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, BG, with the Drain Plug Mafia channel in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back at the ramp, and today we are visiting Black Point. I get so nervous when I see people stand in the bow like this. And she's off safely. Oh, but Cap's coming in hot. Oh, and they smack the dock anyway. Cap is not going to be happy with that result. Wifey's going to go for the leap as well. And she'll make it on and we'll get this put up. But man, he actually smacked that pole pretty solid. Our guy is stuck, but this sucks because every time he hits that gas, he's sliding backwards, which is a dangerous move. There's like 20 people just standing on the dock. Bros, jump in the back of the truck. Somebody give him a hand. But no, we're all just gonna watch and see if they can roll back into the water. So our guy's gonna back up a little bit and try and take a little pressure off the truck and the trailer. Tries to get the running start, but that's not gonna help. They're gonna have to get some weight back there. And here we go. The crew jumps into action. Let's see if this one will work. Somebody else is struggling in the background as well. You can hear it. And spinning them. Almost to the top. Give them a little bounce, boys. There we go. And that'll get them over the hump. But man, we had 2 for 1 going on here. Unfortunately, only one camera for us down here right this second, and we can only grab one of them. So we got our guy in the Chevy trying to back this thing down. And you can see the guy in the green shirt's kind of trying to direct him a little bit. But they've been at this one for a few minutes now. Our guy's going to walk up and give him a pep talk, maybe a few motivational moments of instruction. And we are back at it one more time. Oh, getting a little sideways. Our guy's getting frustrated with it, telling him to stop. I'm going to try and reset, but man, you can tell by the way he's hitting the gas, he's getting frustrated now too. Not a bad start. Heading toward the semi-right direction. No, we're going the wrong way again. And green shirt's gonna give him the stop signal one more time. And gives him the point of the finger. Move it forward, bruh. And here we go. And green shirt is walking back to the car. Oh, green shirt's kicking him out. Out of my car, man. Just let me do it. Now the pressure's on green shirt, because if you're going to kick somebody out of the car, you're going to have to nail it right the first time. And he's got a little Black Point wobble action going, but as long as he makes it down in the first try, he should be okay. Other than that, I'm going to have to put him on Googans of the Week. If you guys haven't checked that out already, please check out our new channel called Drain Plug Mafia. There we'll be doing Googans of the Week and several other fun shows. If you're subscribed to Broncos Guru, please subscribe to that one because you're going to love that. And in fact, Broncos Guru channel is probably going to have a content change coming up. So if you like the comedy videos like Boneheaded Boaters of the Week and things like that, you're going to want to subscribe to the other channel because that stuff is moving. And our guy is going after it right here. And it looks like he's going to make it. So he's not going to make it on Googans of the Week as he will successfully get it down. And this is the one that always confuses me. If you're the best person at backing the truck up, why are you even letting somebody else do it? Unless you're trying to teach him, but in this situation, he definitely was not. And our crew's coming in. This boat has had a rough life. Oh my gosh. Look at where the registration letters are and all the way down. Somebody has had some fun at the dock with this thing. Oh my. We're going to keep the camera on these guys because obviously by the damage here, things could go wrong. Because they have in the past. Coming in just a little hot. But Wifey's off and she'll hold them up. And we will not add to the damage today. But man, that was rough. I mean, there's definitely spots where this thing has smacked a wall or smacked the dock pretty darn hard. So our guy's trying to get it loaded, but he's having a tough time. It's kind of a weird situation because the instruction the guys in front of him are kind of giving to him makes me think this is not his boat. There you go. They're trying to tell him even where to turn the wheel. Maybe they're trying to teach him how to load? Oh, comes in just a little hot. Man, we're back on the throttle, but he looks like he's on. And we're going to push the whole trailer. He's throttling it over. The whole trailer's sliding with him. I don't think you're powering it on any more than it is, bro. Well, this is a unique concept here. Instead of using the bow winch, we're going to use the motor in a line. I wonder if the winch is broken. That was a strange one. So our guy just walked it on with the line. We kept power on it all the way until it was out of the water and sitting on the bunks. I mean, now they look like they're trying to do something with the bow winch, but I guess, I don't know. That one confuses me. I have no clue why they would do it that way. But it works. I mean, they're on. And our crew's got the pole out. It's a little wet. Let's see if they can get out of here without sliding. And they look good to... What in the world is coming off the prop? So they spun tires for a second, but is something stuck in the prop? Let me know in the comments below. I can't... Maybe they pulled a fishing line? I'm not sure. Well, they're getting out of here, though. We're going to get out of here as well. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Drain Plug Mafia, where we do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And, of course, we've got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.